Hey guys. So ayan nga, it's already 7:30 and our flight is 12 pa ng gabi. Pero it's a good thing as well kasi sobrang daming tao ngayon dito sa NAIA Terminal 3. And ang gagawin muna namin is kukuha muna kami ng boarding pass para sa aming ticket para hindi na kami kinakamahan mamaya dahil sobrang daming tao ngayon. Also, mamaya na lang kami kakain ng dinner after namin makatapos sa immigration.
Oo, kasi hindi pa ako nag-gutom sa kaba.
Yes. See you later. Bye-bye. Guys, kakagaling lang namin sa immigration and time check is 9:30 and ang aming boarding is 11 p.m. and then ang flight namin is 12 a.m. Nagugutom na si Adi. Medyo kinabahan siya sa immigration kasi it's his first time. Though it's not my first time, pero mas matagal ako sa immigration. Madaming tanong sa akin. So, ayun. And then, kakain muna kami. Nagbago na yung itsura ng Terminal 3. Madami nang ginagawa. Yung kalahating side ng NAIA is nire-renovate. Ayun. So, ayun. Nagugutom na si Adi. Kakain na rin ako. See you later guys kapag boarding na. Nagpapahinga din muna kami. Hanap kami ng sleeping pod if time permits. So, ayun. See you. Bye-bye! Hello guys.
Magkaiba tayo.
Ay sus. Nandito na po kami sa Suvarnabhumi Airport and hinihintay na kami ni Manong driver na transfer namin going to hotel and kailangan lang namin ma-pick up yung aming Klook SIM card para makagamit na kami ng internet dito. We'll see you later. Bye!
Bye! The what?
Departure.
Okay. Exit daw, ayun no?
Hi guys, we're now here at the 4th floor of Bangkok.
Suvarnabhumi.
And we just... Ay, ba't ako nag-English? Kailangan na natin kumuha ng Klook SIM card. And mamaya babalik tayo dito sa arrival area para hanapin si Manong na mag-pick up sa atin going to our hotel. Ayun lang. Tara, samahan niyo kung hanapin yung ating
We're here. Going to arrival.
Hello guys, we do apologize for our driver because we are 1.5 hours late.
Yeah.
Sana hindi pa siya umaalis.
Immigration.
Hello! Hi guys! Iniwan na kami ng driver. So nag-book na kami ng boat.
Kasi we're more than 45 minutes late.
Oo, kasi tagal namin sa immigration.
Yeah.
Ilang oras tayo sa immigration?
It's almost an hour.
So malapit na ang aming boat.
Kaya nag-book na lang kami ng boat.
See you later guys. Naantok na kami.
Tutulog muna kami.
Nandito na kami sa harapan ng hotel namin. Ito na nga. Point na lang namin mamaya. Hindi mangyari sa amin.
Pag-aakyat na lang namin sa room, mag-check in muna kami.
Grabe. Tumaka kami sa gutter.
Hindi kasi feeling ko ano talaga sila.
Tumaka sa gutter.
Reckless talaga sila mag-drive.
Hello guys, we're now here at visiting Card Hotel and Resort. Free po yung breakfast nila sa murang halaga. We were able to book 7 days, 6 nights here. So here, we will have to see how it goes.
Okay.
Hi guys, good morning. Eto na nga, kararating lang namin halos from the airport, Suwana Pom Airport, and napakatagal ng aming immigration na pila. Grabe, para kaming nag-audition sa PBB sa sobrang haba ng pila. Though, ang bilis lang nung kanilang process sa immigration kasi all you just have to do is to have your fingerprint and then pipicturean ka nila and then wala, tapos na. Tapos sobrang nahirapan kami kasi iniwan kami ng driver na supposed na susundo sa amin from the airport kasi nga late kami ng almost 1.5 hour sa mismong meet up namin kasi nga sobrang traffic ang tao sa immigration. Ayun. And pagdating namin dito sa hotel, medyo very ayun, dinig nyo. Sino ba? Dinig nyo ba yun? So, ayun, medyo disappointing lang yung itsura ng hotel. But that's totally fine. Kasi all you just have to do naman here is to sleep and make sure that your things are safe and secured. So, ayun. Papahinga muna kami. Ang free breakfast nila dito is from 7 a.m. up until 10 a.m. So, possibly, baka gumising ako ng 9:30 para man ma-enjoy ko yung breakfast namin. Eto si Habs, I feeling ko hindi dito gising na maaga. So, ayun. See you later na lang, guys. For today's video, we will try to explore Chatuchak from Ratchathopprap. Tama ba? Na MRT, okay? From the MRT near us, we will just have to go to Mochit para mag-Chatuchak this morning, and then tonight we will explore naman the whole Pratunam and Platinum Mall. Ayun, yun lang naman yung aming itinerary for today. Okay guys, papahinga muna kami because it's already 7 a.m. Okay, bye-bye! Guys, hindi makakasama si Adi sa breakfast kasi busy siya. Ayan. Come on. Let's go. Tapos na kumain. It's a bit disappointing.
Why?
But it's fulfilling. Because apparently, there's nothing but bread. And egg. And
Akala ko may Indian.
I thought as well. But it's American breakfast. It's basically egg, toast bread, coffee or orange, pakwan, some processed meat. That's all. Ayun po.
It's not buffet.
It's basically buffet type.
But
Pwede mong balik-balikan, pero ayaw mong balik-balikan. Ayun po siya. So, probably kain na lang kami sa labas for better breakfast options. Ayun guys. And baka bumili na lang din kami ng sandwich sa 7-Eleven para in case na magutom man kami dito na sa loob kami ng hotel, at least we have a better option of food na makakain. Ayun guys, so magpe-prepare na kami. It's already anong oras ba to? 9:55? Yeah, it's already 9:55 here. Pero sa clock ko, it's 10:55 because it's 1 hour delay dito compare mo sa Philippine time. Ayun guys, so see you later sa Chatuchak. Lalabas muna kami and possibly makabili kami ng something to wear. Kasi wala kami din na lang masyadong damit kasi bibili nga kami dito ng damit. So, bye guys! Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Payatay and we will have ano ha?
Yung hotel na rin dito palagi yung design, may mga puno.
Very nature loving architecture.
Kasi pati tuktok ng building, may puno.
So ayun na nga guys. From here in Payatay, we will just have to transfer to the green line kasi we are previously on the red line. So para maka-transfer kami going to Mochit, we have to transfer from red to the green line.
Which is going downstairs.
No, nakababa na kami. Yun na yung downstairs. So ayun,
Ayun nga.
as far as we can see, maybe doon. Doon. So, ayun guys, see you later when we get to Chap Market. Bye-bye. Kapungkap. Ayun na nga guys. So, nakakailang bili na kami ng ticket ng MRT tsaka BTS pero we weren't able to record it. So, dito tayo sa 2.
Magpapa-facial pa sana ako.
Ayun.
Nails lang siya.
Ang ganda na
May mga pagganito
ay,
sila.
super rich. Super rich. Super rich.
Super rich.
Guys, wait lang. Papapalit lang kami. Hi guys. Grabe init. Nagpapalit muna kami dito sa Super Rich. Ayan. Pag mapapapalit pala kayo, you need passport, your local contact number here, which is the Thai contact number, as well as the name of your accommodation or your hotel here in Bangkok. Ayan. Basta kami magpapalit. Rate ngayon is 0.54, right? No?
Yeah.
Buying. Ay, hindi, selling. Selling dapat yung nakita natin. As of today, February 4, ang selling rate ng Philippine peso ay 0.625. Ayun. Guys, nandito na yung train namin going to Mochi. Wala na silang pinamimigay na pamphlet dito ng map. As you can see, picture na lang daw namin ito. Ayun o.
ขอความร่วมมือท่านเจ้าของรถยนต์ทุกท่านนะคะไม่ว่าจะเป็น
Sige, ito akin.
How much per day?
Hinawakan. Hinawakan muna. Ah, this was 60? One. This one. Because you already hold it. Thank you. Ah. Anong iyo? Ano?
Ito. Hawakan mo na ito para...
Sawa ikaw? Sawa ikaw? Ayun na.
dapat tayo kapag-render pera na. Kasi ako lang na ako. Ano kayo bumulong?
Kuha kaya ng upuan.
Pwede ito?
Yeah.
Hindi na ito binibenta, no?
Kain tayo.
Mga.
Sobrang init dito guys. Narinig namin puro Pinoy yun, no? Yung mga kasunod namin. Ayun, no? Sarap.
Can I taste? Itlog siya. Quail egg.
Ito guys, parang kwek-kwek. Pero crunchy yung labas. Ah? Wow.
62.
62, ba't may bago?
62.
Okay. 60 din. Bukod is for 60 pa. First.
Air fry pig.
One beef and one pig.
30 baht, right?
Yeah.
One.
Total is 60.
60.
I guys, apparently inabot na kami ng rush hour, pero hindi ko alam kung rush hour pa ito. Uuwi na kami. Hi guys! Good evening everyone. So kami ngayon ay nasa tapat ng Palladium and malapit sa Platinum Fashion Mall dahil hinahabol namin yung oras. Hinahabol namin yung oras. Kailangan namin maabutan yung Platinum Mall na bukas. We'll see you later pagpunta namin sa Platinum Night Market, guys. Bye bye! We are now here at Platinum Mall. Platinum Mall sa harapan. Maghanap na kami ng snack and then we'll go to Platinum Night Market.
Ay, paano kung ganyan snack natin?
Look at this. Paano ba ano to?
Big squid. What?
Tatlo 100 chicken sausage.
Fried jumbo squid.
Do you want that?
Maybe later.
Later. Kasi it's too heavy.
And the prawns. It's too big.
That's too heavy for us. Maybe we can have... Sarap. Sorry. If we eat here, we won't be able to eat.
Squid here. And it's hot. Thank you.
Hello guys. Nakauwi na kami ni Adi. And galing nga kami sa Platinum. Tapos dumaan din kami sa Palladium Night Market pala. Sa tabi lang yun ng Palladium. Tapos nakakita kami ng mga mas mura doon ng mga ref magnet. Ganyan. Tapos antok na kami, pagod na. See you na lang guys tomorrow kasi we will have our hop on hop off tourist boat tour naman tomorrow and maaga naman sisimulan para makapagpahinga rin kami ulit sa gabi dahil on the very next day naman, we will go to Pattaya naman para naman makita ninyo kung ano yung ino-offer ng Pattaya City other than Bangkok. Yun lang guys. Good night everyone. Habs, good night daw. Good night. Bye-bye.